Christmas. Have you ever found yourself in a position where you have to make a quick dessert for one of those holidays, but you don't know what to make? Well, today I'm going to introduce you to a dessert that's really simple to make and it's very colorful, so you can use it for any occasion that you want. Funfetti cupcakes is really easy to make. One of my friends introduced me to them a little while ago, so now they're my go-to recipe whenever I need to do something really quick and I can't figure anything else out to do. So this recipe is going to be made within 3 steps to include 1, gather all the materials and the ingredients, 2, mix them all together, and then the last step would be to bake them, of course. So now that we have everything down, we're going to go ahead and start with the first step, which is gathering all the ingredients and all the materials. So the first thing that we're going to do is preheat the oven so it's already ready for you. Okay, now what you're going to need for this is a bowl and a spoon to mix it, a cupcake pan with the cups already in there. You're going to need the measuring cups, water, oil, and eggs. Okay, so now that we know what you're going to need, we're going to go ahead and put everything together. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get the cupcake mix. And we are going to put it in a bowl. And we're going to use 1 cup of water. Pour it in there. And you're going to use 1/3 cup of oil. And the last ingredient for this are 2 eggs. Now when you mix this, you can either use an electric mixer. However, if you don't have one, you can use a regular spoon and stir it and just count to 100. Okay, just make sure that all the lumps are gone and everything is mixed well together, because you don't want it too runny or then it's not going to bake correctly. And now that we're completed with the second step, we can go ahead and move to the third one, which is pouring the batter into the baking cups. Now you don't want to fill the cups all the way up, because when they bake, it's going to rise, of course, and you don't want it to go over the cup. I'll just do a few here. Like so. And once you have all 12 cups with your mix, you're going to go ahead and stick it in the oven for 23 to 25 minutes. And of course, during the middle, you want to go ahead and check them. Make sure that, if you want to put more time, you can put more time. If not, that's fine. Now, once you take them out, you have the option to leave them plain. And if you do, you're going to see all the different colors in the cupcakes. Otherwise, you can go ahead and decorate them, make them pretty, however you want. And the final product will look like this. You have your Funfetti cupcakes, and you can bring them to any occasion you want. So today I've showed you how to make Funfetti cupcakes, and you can make it in 3 simple steps with just 1, gathering the materials, 2, mixing everything together, and 3, baking them. And your final step is to eat them. Thank you for coming.